All right, for problem number 4, we have Miss Williams has 3 hermit crabs. The heaviest weighs 43 and 26 thousandths grams, and the lightest weighs 42 and 8/10. What could be the weight in grams of the 3rd hermit crab? So I have to kind of wrap my mind around this. Miss Williams has 3 hermit crabs. She has the heaviest at 43 and 26 thousandths grams, and then we have the lightest at 42 and 8/10. So we want to know something that could be the 3rd. Well, the 3rd would be one that's in the middle. So just like we've done before, we're going to set up a number line. I'm going to set up a little line like this. This is going to represent the heaviest. And this is going to represent the lightest. So the lightest value was 42 and 8/10, and our heaviest value was 43 and 26 thousandths. So what I need to do is I need to find something that's going to fit in between. So at this time, what I want you to do is I want you to go over here and see if you can find where these numbers would fit on our number line. So at this time, I want you to pause. And if you want, if this is too much for you to handle, you can certainly go back and you can use this paper. You can erase what we did before, and you could line up the decimals and find something that's going to work. So that would be putting these digits in here, if that works better for you. But I want you to, once you figure that out, I want you to put them on the number line. So pause the video and see what you can come up with. All right, boys and girls, so hopefully that gave you a little bit of time to figure out what would come in between. So right here I have the number 43 and 197 thousandths. So if I have 43 on this end and I have a 0, but this digit is 1, then that number is going to end up way over here. That's actually going to be greater than. So it's not going to fit between, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that choice. And look at the next one, 42 and 79 hundredths. Well, this is 42 and 8/10. So if we have 8/10 compared to the 79, that's actually going to be right in here. Now it's super close, but it does not fall in between. And I need something to fall in between, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this choice. My third answer choice says 43 and 5/100. So again, I'm going to go back over here to 43, and I'm going to compare this. And if I compare this to 43 and 5/100, I'm thinking, this actually is going to go on this side of the number line. It's going to go over here. So this one is also too much, too heavy. That leaves me with my last choice, which is 42 and 866 thousandths. So here we have 42. This is 866. If I add my 2 zeros to make it feel a little more balanced, oh, this is 800 and this is 43 and some. Cross that out so it doesn't confuse me. That number would probably be about right here, 42 and 866 thousandths. And so that value does fit between the lightest and the heaviest, so that is going to be your answer. Hopefully you were able to get that right. If for some reason you didn't get it right, go ahead and make those changes now. And I'll see you back for the next video.